Cosmetology is the study of hair, skin, and nails. Facials, eyelash extensions, makeup, everything from cutting, styling, to coloring, manicures, pedicure, artificial gel nails, powder gel, free forms, tips, all of those things.
I picked cosmetology because I've actually been in HR for a while, and I really love the aspect of being around people and serving people, and I feel like I wanted something that was a lot more hands-on for me. I think it's really cool that everyone brings something kind of different to this program with cosmetology. It's a really fun environment. It's extremely diverse. There are so many different people, so many different personalities, and it kind of just all meshes well together.
Well, today is my last day in the program. I take my state test on Monday. You get that experience like you're actually working in a salon. They book you clients and stuff like that on a regular. I've already have a lot of opportunities out there. I've had recruiters come and contact me. Like I just had one of the recruiters come and give me flowers. So everything here pretty much sets you up for the outside world working in a salon.
I came here when I was 12 as a refugee. I didn't know any English words. The people were different. Everything is different. Foods and everything. You have education too. My family, they would be really proud of me for getting the diploma as a first child in their family.
I think what drives me to pursue cosmetology, I love the freedom that you get with hairstyling. I love everything about the industry and how accepting it is and how much there's just, yeah, you have the freedom to just express yourself completely.
We are doing our showcase for the semester. So we have to do 3 different styles. We have to do a formal one, a casual one, and a creative one. It's a really crazy vibe.
Growing up, I never had any type of beauty service done, so I want to be able to give back to the community. So once I kind of go off on my own, I want to just have here and there have free day of beauties for those who can't afford the service. It makes me feel great because I can make people feel great.
I love making people feel like they're beautiful. It's an open community and people here are really friendly and the instructors are really great. They really help you out. It's just a really great place to be.
It doesn't cost that much to come here for the cosmetology program. The value, you cannot beat the value. Anyone that feel that have the passion for hair, skin, or nails would be a good fit. We welcome all. All is welcome. It's where you want to be.